Hi guys, welcome back. It's Lisa. Today I've got another fun and super simple Dollar Tree DIY for us. We are going to be making a pair of icy glam candle holders. And so we're going to be featuring these ice gemstones, and they are from EFavormart.com. They reached out to me and I have partnered with them. EFavormart.com is an online retailer, and you can find these gemstones and many more beautiful items on their website. I'll have all of their information linked in the description box below, including my custom 15% coupon code. It's the same as the channel name, A Cozy Casita, so you can use that. I'll also provide you with a custom channel link as well, and you can use that link to get 15% off of your order. So I will have all the information linked in the description box below. So you're going to need these beautiful gemstones from EFavormart.com. You're also going to need 2 of these tea light holders from Dollar Tree. You're going to need 2 of these taper candle holders from Dollar Tree. You're going to need some peel and stick gemstones. I picked these up at Walmart. However, you can find these at Dollar Tree on a half sheet size. I have got some diamond wrap, and this is pre-cut. You can pick this up at either Michael's or Dollar Tree. I have got some of these gemstones, diamond gemstones. They're from Walmart, these little separate gemstones. And so you can find those at Walmart as well. I'm going to be using hot glue on this project. But if you want to make this a permanent piece, you can use E6000 or another type of permanent bond. These are the items that we'll need in order to complete the candle holder, so let's get started. Well, there you have it, guys. Another beautiful and simple glam DIY. Aren't these candle holders absolutely stunning? Now let's start playing around and decorating with them. Well, there you have it, guys. Another stunning and simple glam DIY. If you like these kinds of DIYs, please be sure to share these videos with your friends. If you're new to the channel, subscribe and hit the notifications bell so that you don't miss any of the future uploads, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye-bye.